Welcome to the Carwstar channel. If you don't subscribe here on the channel and leave your like.
I'm going to show you some of the things that make this car so special. A less is more approach has been taken inside the Swace, with an elegant yet simple interior design that focuses on spaciousness, comfort and versatility. Premium interior features include ambient lighting, steering wheel and front seat heaters and the S-Flow air conditioning, all designed to make your travels as comfortable as possible. The S-Flow air conditioning uses sensors in the seats to detect where passengers are and only directs to those seats in use, saving valuable energy and keeping all the car happy, whether that's just yourself or more. How do you feel in the back? It's great, I've got loads of leg room. So comfortable for adults in the front and the rear. The prominent touchscreen provides access to built-in personal multimedia. Stay connected with smartphone compatibility, allowing you to play your favourite music, listen to audiobooks, and even your favourite smartphone navigation systems to get you to places on time. The screen also provides a large clear view from a reversing camera, useful if you unexpectedly find a filmmaker behind you when you're reversing. Swace is made even better by being a self-charging hybrid. Designed to work seamlessly in combination with each other, a powerful electric motor helps the petrol engine when it's under stress. For example, accelerating or going up a hill. And then uses the energy created during deceleration to recharge the battery. The result? Spirited performance with excellent economy, making even the longest drives effortless, while helping to reduce your fuel costs. To enhance the experience further, the system provides 3 driving modes to suit the driver's mood. Who says that estate cars are just about a big boot? Well, yes, they have to be functional, but is that all? The Swace was designed to be both stylish and a versatile estate car. The shape has an understated elegance about it, with its low centre of gravity, wide stance and powerful rearward flowing body lines. As expected of a Suzuki, you can rest assured knowing that you and your occupants are being protected by the very latest in proactive safety equipment. The one thing I've missed is the 596 litre boot, providing ample space for your needs, with clever touches such as reversible floor specifically designed for stowing wet or dirty items. A 12-volt power socket provides power when needed, but what really impresses me is that the rear seats can be folded at the pull of a lever, providing a space big enough for, well, an average sound engineer. Really? Although you may carry other things. If you'd like to know more about the Swace, then please contact your local Suzuki dealer.
Welcome to the Carwstar channel. If you don't subscribe here on the channel and leave your like.